Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to use the page visibility API for web development. So typically you would use this API to suppose if the user has navigated from your web app to some other web app and you want to save some state changes or some data before your app is completely suspended, web app is completely suspended. In that case this API would be very helpful. So here you can see I have one text area, and I will quickly navigate to some other tab, and after some time I will come back to the to my original tab. Here you can see, so you were away, we are back from the background after this much seconds, and we went to the background at this much time. So that's how you can use this API to do any kind of a stuff. Like mostly it would be used for saving the data. So just have a look at the code. So here you can see that I'm not using any framework. This is like HTML, vanilla HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I've created an HTML file. Inside that I'm referencing my JavaScript file, which is background.js inside the scripts folder. And here I have taken one text area which is read only, and it has an ID of logger. And if you see my background.js, I have created a function and which takes a text and it adds some text to this text area. So here you can see I'm just getting that text area using this query selector and appending some text. I have also created a variable for background initial timestamp, and you will have to add this listener to detect whether your page or web app has been hidden or not. So you can typically do document.visibility_state equal to hidden, and if it goes back to the background state, so it is going to the background state, right? So what I'm doing is for that I'm just using this going to the background and using this new datetime.local timestamp. And for determining how much time the user has been in the background state, you should use this performance.now. Don't use this new date for getting how much time this user is in the background state. Like this performance.now is very like the name implies, it really performant, and it has nanosecond of precision, and it's much more performant as compared to datetime, this JavaScript date object. So yeah, use that. And here you can see once the user comes back, I'm doing a subtraction of performance.now to whatever was the background initial timestamp, and I'm again logging it to the console. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.